Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs have officially announced the signing of Langelihle Phili from Stellenbosch FC. The 21-year-old who came through AmaZulu development before joining Stellenbosch FC in July 2023 after an impressive Engine knockout, with Usuthu under-18 being named the Engine Knockout Challenger Player of the tournament. The very same year, he won the same tournament with Stellies and was named Player of the tournament once again. After a brilliant breakout season at the Cape Wineland last season, now he has been unveiled by Kaizer Chiefs in a major transfer swap deal. The KwaZulu-Natal-born player has also won the AFCON Under-20 with South Africa and went on to represent the junior national team at the Under-20 FIFA World Cup. Here is a statement that Kaizer Chiefs released as they announced Langelihle Phili as their newest signing. Kaizer Chiefs are delighted to announce the signing of exciting and highly sought after young wing Langelihle Phili from Stellenbosch FC. The 21-year-old sensation arrives at Amakhosi after a standout campaign last season, in which he finished as Stellenbosch FC top goal scorer, netting 9 goals and bagging both the Player of the Season and Players Player of the Season awards. His performances earned him widespread recognition and underlined his reputation as one of the most promising attacking talents in South African football. We warmly welcome Langelihle Phili to the Gold and Black family and look forward to a positive and successful career with Amakhosi. That's the statement from Kaizer Chiefs as they announced Langelihle Phili. Now, how did Amakhosi manage to sign the highly rated winger Langelihle Phili? Because we know that Stellenbosch had a 16 million rand price tag for the young winger. They said that they are not ready to part ways with the player unless that valuation is met. However, Langelihle Phili only had 1 year left on his contract, meaning that in January, he was going to sign with any club that he wants on a pre-contract, and in July 2027, he would have been able to join that club on a free transfer. However, it shows that Amakhosi wanted to sign him this season. That is why they did all they could to sign the player. Stellenbosch FC agreed because Kaizer Chiefs gave them Ashley Dupree and also Given Msimango, including a cash package, meaning that Stellenbosch managed to get 2 players plus cash for a player they would have lost in just 12 months' time. So it is a good deal for Stellenbosch FC. And remember, his agent said that their first priority is to get Langelihle Phili a move abroad. He said that they want Langelihle Phili to play for a team in Europe. However, if they don't get a suitable offer, then they would consider the offers that are available. And the offer that was available is the one from Kaizer Chiefs. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Kaizer Chiefs offering Ashley Dupree, a striker, and Given Msimango, a defender, and also a cash package for this 21-year-old winger? Do you think he is worth it? He's going to bring pace and goals and also assist into Kaizer Chiefs. The Under-20 international made 72 appearances across all competitions for Stellenbosch, and his standout campaign was last season, the 2025-26 campaign, where he scored 9 goals and 1 assist in 39 games. Phili becomes the 4th signing of Kaizer Chiefs in this transfer window, after completing the signing of Thabo Moloisane from Stellenbosch FC and goalkeeper Ronaldo Lena from Sekhukhune United, and also Adolf Ntasingwa from Azam FC. Now, how do you rate Kaizer Chiefs signing so far in this transfer window? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.